Hello everyone, my name is Faisal Nadeem and welcome to our another video on job interview training course. In this video, I will teach you how to prepare for a project engineer job interview. If you are applying for a project engineer role in any organization, make sure to stay tuned to this video because I promise to help you pass your interview at the first attempt. And to achieve this objective, I'm sharing with you the top 5 most important commonly asked project engineer job interview questions along with their sample answers. I will also let you know the purpose of asking each question from the hiring manager so you can create your answer by including all those important things that I will teach you in this video. I have already uploaded a video on project engineer job description that can also help you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Very quickly before we get started, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming career focused content. Alright, let's jump in. So the first important question that you should need to prepare for is how do you manage project budgets and resources to optimize project efficiency and cost effectiveness? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your financial management skills, your resource allocation abilities, and more importantly, your capacity to maximize project outcomes within budgetary constraints. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, effective project budget management involves thorough planning, resource allocation, and cost control measures. I develop detailed project budgets, monitor expenses closely, and identify opportunities for cost savings without compromising on quality or safety. Regular tracking of project expenditures, negotiation with vendors, and proactive adjustments to resource allocations ensure optimal project efficiency and cost effectiveness. Question number 2. How do you approach risk assessment and mitigation in engineering projects? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your analytical skills, your problem solving abilities, and more importantly, your understanding of risk management principles in engineering project environments. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, risk assessment involves identifying potential risk, analyzing their impact and likelihood, and developing mitigation strategies to minimize their impact on project outcomes. I conduct thorough risk assessment at various stages of the project lifecycle, utilizing tools such as failure model and effects analysis, and collaborating with stakeholders to proactively address potential risk. Continuous monitoring and adaptation ensure that mitigation strategies remain effective throughout the project. Question number 3. Can you walk us through your experience managing engineering projects from conception to completion? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your project management skills, your understanding of project lifecycle, and more importantly, your ability to oversee project from start to finish. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in my previous role, I managed various engineering projects. You can mention any specific project here with as per your experience. Okay, from initial planning and feasibility studies to execution and project closure, I collaborated with cross functional teams to ensure project milestones were met within budget and timeline constraints. Regular progress monitoring, risk assessment, and effective communication were key in successfully delivering projects on time and meeting stakeholder expectations. Question number 4. Can you provide an example of a challenging engineering problem you encountered on a project and how you resolved it? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your problem solving skills, your adaptability, and more importantly, your ability to overcome technical challenges in engineering projects. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, during a construction project, we encountered unexpected soil conditions that posed a challenge to the foundation design. I led a team of engineers to conduct additional site investigations, analyze soil samples, and collaborate with geotechnical experts to develop a revised foundation design that addressed the soil conditions effectively. By proactively addressing the issue and implementing the revised design, we ensured project progress while maintaining safety and quality standards. Question number 5. How do you ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and engineering standards in your projects? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your understanding of regulatory frameworks, engineering codes, and more importantly, your commitment to ensuring project compliance and safety. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, Well, compliance with regulatory requirements and engineering standards is paramount in all projects. I stay updated on relevant regulations and standards applicable to each project, and also ensure that design and construction activities adhere to these requirements. Regular inspections, documentation, and collaboration with regulatory agencies and third party inspectors help verify compliance and mitigate any potential risk. So there you have it, 5 most important commonly asked project engineer job interview questions along with their sample answers. I have already uploaded a video on project engineer job description that can also help you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Always remember that practice makes perfect, so take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.